What up, Gromies? It's Shiesty Grows 420, and I'm back with another video. And in today's episode, we will be unboxing the Futur Hydro Trim Tray. So let's get right into it. I always keep my Cobalt utility knife handy. Seems like I'm always open packages. So I'll say, when I was searching for a trim tray, there was a lot to choose from. Majority of them seemed like they were all the same. Some came with goodies, some didn't. So I went with the Futur Hydro. I didn't expect the box to be that big. I figured it would be a small version of a trim tray for the price point. I was impressed by the size of the trim tray. As you guys can see, it's very large. So we'll get this thing out the box and see what all we got. So my first impression of the trim tray is quite heavy, which I figured it would be kind of thin and, you know, flimsy plastic. And that ain't the case here. It's definitely a decent one. So let's get this thing unwrapped and see what all we got. And like I mentioned, when searching for a trim tray, there was quite many to choose from, and all of them seemed like they would serve the same purpose. So the Futur Hydro caught my eye, and that's what I went with. Once again, using my Cobalt utility knife to get this little strip taken off so we can get into this thing. Remove the 150 micron screen. So this is what came with the trim tray. We got a set of straight edge friskers and a set of curvy friskers. Well, I guess they ain't friskers. They're like a off-brand version of friskers, but they'll serve the same purpose when it's time to trim up the flowers. And we have a brush that came with the set as well, so we can get up that good keef after we trim up the buds. And it also came with a magnifying glass. So once you get your keef at the bottom of your trim tray, you can go back over and make sure you don't have any contaminants in your keef after you're done trimming up your buds. So for these items that come with the trim tray, and majority of the higher ones, they didn't come with nothing but the trim tray, I would say this is a good buy, and it's gonna serve the same purpose as the higher trim trays. So I'm gonna get this stuff stored away. I'm gonna show you guys the 150 micron screen. This is what you will be trimming your buds on, so the keef will fall through it and will be at the bottom of your trim tray. My thoughts of this trim tray, I think it's well made and definitely will serve its purpose, because I got a harvest that's coming up that I will be sharing with you guys. So I will be putting the trim tray to use soon. And I think these two pair of friskers will definitely help me out. So you guys comment down below and let me know what you think about the trim tray. Subscribe to the channel and become a member. Hit that thumbs up button. It's Shiesty Grows 420, and I'm out.
just subscribed.